Looking to explore the best water activities in Ko Lanta? From exciting water sports like surfing and jet skiing to peaceful boat tours, Ko Lanta offers something for every adventurer. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, enjoy unforgettable experiences on the water. Ko Lanta. Experience the world's best beaches on a Longtail. Enjoy a full-day snorkeling excursion as you explore the breathtaking islands of Ko Kradan, Ko Gai, Ko Mook, and Ko Chuk aboard a traditional longtail boat. Marvel at the clear blue waters teeming with diverse marine life, secluded beaches adorned with swaying palm trees, and hidden treasures awaiting discovery. Day 1 morning. 8:30 a.m. Begin your day with a convenient pickup service from your hotel in Ko Lanta. 9:00 a.m. board a comfortable long-tail boat at Lanta Old Town Pier and set sail towards the captivating islands of Ko Kradan, Ko Gai, Ko Mook, and Ko Chuk. Day 1 afternoon. 1000 a.m. reach the first island, Ko Chuk, also known as Rope Island, where you can immerse yourself in the crystal clear waters and observe the abundant marine life below the surface. 1:00 a.m. move on to Ko Mook, known for its famous Emerald Cave. Prepare to be captivated as you navigate through a dark tunnel and emerge into a hidden lagoon bathed in a dazzling emerald glow. 12:30 p.m. enjoy a delicious Thai buffet lunch on the pristine beach of Ko Kradan. 1:30 p.m. proceed to Ko Kradan, celebrated for its immaculate white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. Take advantage of another exhilarating snorkeling adventure to discover the rich marine life thriving among the coral reefs. 2:30 p.m. relax and rejuvenate by lounging on the lush jungle trails of Ko Gai. 4:00 p.m. as the day comes to a close, say goodbye to these enchanting islands and return to Ko Lanta. 5:00 p.m. upon arrival back at your hotel in Ko Lanta. Fill up with unforgettable memories of your snorkeling expedition. Summary. Embark on this ultimate snorkeling adventure, which promises to offer you an unparalleled experience of the stunning islands and vibrant marine life of the Andaman Sea. Ko Lanta, Tung Peng Village Ecotour with lunch dinner. Upon arrival at our location, guests may choose between two pickup times, 9:00 a.m. or 1:00 p.m. Following this selection, visitors will proceed to the serene Tung Peng village, situated adjacent to the mangrove forest. Upon reaching the village, guests will embark upon a private gondola tour through the picturesque surroundings, immersing themselves in the lush greenery and diverse flora. This tour provides an opportunity to appreciate the rich biodiversity within the region, including various species of wildlife such as mudfish, wild birds, and monitor lizards, which inhabit their natural habitats. Following the gondola tour, guests will be welcomed back into the village where they can engage in traditional folk art experiences, particularly focusing on handicrafts. These activities offer hands-on learning opportunities, allowing guests to witness and participate in the crafting process firsthand. For those desiring a meal experience, we invite them to indulge in a specially curated menu prepared by members of the local community. This culinary journey allows guests to observe and actively contribute to the preparation of their dishes, providing a unique cultural immersion. Post-meal relaxation periods of approximately 30 minutes are scheduled to allow guests to unwind and recharge before concluding their visit. Please note that specific details regarding accommodations and dining options may vary based on availability. Therefore, confirmation of these aspects should be obtained prior to booking. Ko Lanta, Mangrove Kayaking, Ko Talabeng, and Skull Island. Upon waking, guests will commence their journey by being picked up from their accommodation via a hotel shuttle service. Following this, a brief minibus ride shall transport them to Ban Lo Yai Pier. Thereafter, they shall embark upon a picturesque journey aboard a traditional longtail boat, embarking on an exploration of various landmarks and photo opportunities. A short hiking expedition awaits visitors on either Ko Daeng or Ko Phi, where the breathtaking scenery promises to be well worth the cost. The island boasts a rich array of flora and fauna, making for an unforgettable experience. However, caution should be exercised as the terrain is quite rugged, requiring participants to possess reasonable fitness levels. Those who wish to avoid the strenuous nature of the hike may opt to remain within the designated area. For those seeking more adventurous activities, guided kayaking lessons will be available to assist in navigating the shallow coastal waters. Alternatively, enthusiasts might prefer to take part in tandem kayaking sessions, which offer a thrilling experience alongside monkey encounters. As one paddles through the seashore forest, they will have the opportunity to observe a diverse array of marine life, including towering mangroves, crustaceans, amphibious reptiles, and numerous bird species. Following their excursion, a picnic lunch will be enjoyed at Talabeng, Noi Beach, allowing guests ample time to soak up the sun and indulge in refreshing swims. Continuing onward, they shall proceed to explore another section of the island, where further kayaking adventures await. Here, visitors may choose to engage in swimming excursions or rest on a serene stretch of coastline. Upon reaching the final destination, a hidden sea cave shall be explored, revealing captivating formations of stalactites and stalagmites. In conclusion, guests will be returned to Lanta Noi and then transported back to their original accommodations, marking the end of yet another memorable day in Lanta. Ko Lanta, 5-day trip by speedboat. Pickup schedule. Your hotel pickup service will commence at 800 a.m. until 900 a.m. each day. This itinerary commences upon arrival at our destination, Ko Lanta, where we will embark on an exciting journey through various islands and attractions. Day 1, Klongjak and Lanta Old Town Pickup. We will begin our adventure at Klongjak Hotel, starting your day with a serene morning pickup at 8:00 a.m. Next, proceed to Lanta Old Town, where we will make our final departure from this beautiful island. Your tour concludes here, ready for your next destination. Day 2, arrival at Phi Phi Lay. After leaving Lanta, we will head towards Phi Phi Lay, arriving at approximately 10:00 am. Here, you'll have ample time to explore Maya Bay, renowned as one of the most picturesque locations featured in the film, By the Beach Wolf. Following its visit, we will venture into Pile Lagoon, a natural paradise nestled among limestone mountains, offering a unique experience for both photographers and nature enthusiasts. Next, we will move on to Monkey Bay for a thrilling snorkeling expedition from the boat, providing you with an unforgettable underwater adventure. Lunch break. Following the exploration of Monkey Bay, we will arrive at Bamboo Island at 12:30 p.m. and 2. Enjoy a delightful meal on the island, followed by relaxation on its pristine white sand beach. Snorkel adventure at Shark Point. At 13:30 p.m., we will set sail again, heading to Shark Point for an engaging snorkeling experience from the boat. Upon reaching the shore, you can further enjoy the tranquility of the area before continuing onwards. Visit to Phi Phi Don. Continuing our journey, we will travel to Phi Phi Don at 14:10 p.m. Here, you will have the opportunity to sightsee around the island while also indulging in some local shopping. Our final leg of the trip will involve returning to Phi Phi Don at 3:00 p.m., after which we will undertake a transfer back to your hotel located in Ko Lanta. Please note that these times are subject to change based on weather conditions or other unforeseen circumstances. Always keep an eye out for updates to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip.